While simple things to improve your landing page, I personally think ad-written testimonials or even better before and after graphics is a great way to improve your site. People like to see what other people could achieve with the product or service you offer. That encourages them and increases the trust in the product's ability.
Improve the text links on your site. Use text such as "click here", as this gives the user an instruction which they will tend to follow.
One thing you can do to improve your landing page is to revisit and test your headlines. Do they match the keywords that people are searching for to find your article? And do they also match what they will find in the rest of the article? If you make sure the answer is yes, it will reduce your bounce rate, that is, the number of people landing on your page and then leaving again.
Your landing page copy, just as any other page in your website, should never have less than 300 words. You should always aim for an article of at least 500 to 600 words with all the critical information that your visitor needs to make an informed purchase.
Write different headlines until you come up with a great one. As found by No.7, for general content articles, number headlines can work well. For example, 30 ways to make drinking tea more delightful.
Try making key buttons that you want people to press a completely different colour to the colour theme of the site. Make sure text links stand out from the rest of the content. You can bold it or even underline it.
For review type pages, don't just tell them it's a review. Use the headline to hook them in and make them interested about what's coming next. Consider using the word "you" to personalise it and make it relate to their problem. Maybe you can think outside the box and successfully use number headlines here too.
Add key things above the fold, such as an image of the product that you're reviewing, 2 to 3 key benefits, and a clear call to action text links.
People love to click on images, so make sure every image contained within your main body of text always links to another relevant page, whether this be internal or an external page.
Divide the review up into different subheadings, as this makes it easier to find key information. Don't make your paragraphs too long. More than 4 to 5 lines, people get bored of reading.
Of course, with all good headlines, you also need to then make sure that the rest of the content lives up to the headline, so as not to disappoint your readers.
If your landing page doesn't have this critical information or simple and clear ways to get it, your visitors will simply count towards your bounce rate statistics rather than your earnings.